Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to start another lesson of history, that is pastoralists in the modern world. So before starting this lesson, we must know who are pastoralists, who are nomads. So as far as pastoralists are concerned, simply pastoralists are those people who move from one place to another place. Okay, from one place to another place. Okay, pastoralists are those people who move from one place to another place in search of grass for their cattle. In search of grass for their cattle. For their cattle. Okay. Pastoralists are those people who move from one place to another place in search of grass for their cattle. एंड द मेन एम, जो इनका मकसद है pastoralists का एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने का, द मेन एम ऑफ दीज पीपल इज टू प्रोवाइड गुड पास्चर्स टू एनिमल्स. ठीक है, इनका मकसद यही होता है, दैट इज टू प्रोवाइड गुड पास्चर्स फॉर देयर एनिमल्स. ठीक है, एंड दीज पीपल डोंट हैव देयर ओन होम्स, आल्सो दे डोंट हैव देयर ओन प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट pastoralists. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट nomads. हु आर nomads? nomads. तो अगर हम nomads की बात करें, nomads are also those people who move from one place to another place for their livelihood, for their shelter. ठीक है, okay, nomads are also those people who move from one place to another place with their animals for their livelihood, food, shelter, etc. And these people also don't have their own homes, also they don't have their own property. तो इसके बाद अगर हम इस लेसन की बात करेंगे, इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम pastoral communities of एशिया एंड अफ्रीका. ठीक है, सॉरी यहां पे मैं बोल गया. इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम पेस्टोरियल कम्युनिटीज ऑफ अफ्रीका एंड इंडिया. तो अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें, इंडिया में जो पेस्टोरियल कम्युनिटीज थी, देवर गुज्जारास. ओके, गुज्जरस, जिनको हम गुज्जर बोलते हैं, रेकाज, रायकाज, गुज्जरस, रायकाज, गोलास, कुमाराज, etc. ठीक है, तो these are the examples of pastoral communities from India. They are Gujjaras, Raikas, Golas, Kumaras, etc. अगर हम अफ्रीका की बात करें, if we will talk about the pastoral communities of Africa, they were Somali. Okay, Somali. Number 2 is Masi. ठीक है, Masi, Turkan, etc. Okay, so these are the these pastoral communities from Africa. So we are going to discuss this lesson in 3 phases. Okay, as far as this lesson is concerned, we are going to discuss this lesson in 3 phases. In the first phase, we will discuss about pastoral. Okay, first phase we will discuss about number 1 phase, we will discuss about pastoral nomads. Okay, pastoral nomads and their movements. ठीक है, and their movements. Okay, in the first phase we will discuss about pastoral nomads and their movements, and in second phase we will discuss about impact of British. Okay, impact of British on pastoralists. On pastoralists. And in the third phase, we will discuss about African pastoralists. Okay, African pastoralists. Okay, and in the third phase we will discuss about African pastoralists. So as far as this lesson is concerned, it is very easy as well as interesting. Inshallah, tomorrow we are going to read first phase of this lesson, that is pastoral nomads and their movements. Till then, take care and have a bright future to all of you. Thanks.